Have you ever wondered how car scenes like this are shot? Where you see the camera inside the car, you see the camera outside the car, and all this are happening concurrently. Well, I'm going to be showing you how to exactly replicate something like that on a very small scale. We are using just the camera and a gimbal to actually achieve a lot. And to help me do that, I have my very good friend here with his Lamborghini. Yes, this is actually what we are going to be using for this tutorial. And guys, hey, forgive me, this might not be a Lamborghini, but it is obviously a moving machine, and all the techniques that we are going to be using in capturing this scene would actually apply if you want to replicate the same thing. This is kind of what we are going to be creating.
Hello.
Hello, boss. Yes, boss.
Have you guys found him?
Yes, that's boss.
Keep an eye on him.
Okay, boss.
I'll be there with you guys soon.
Okay.
So without much ado, let's go ahead and I will show you exactly how this is done. As usual, this is a hands-on tutorial. Let's do this. I just changed my lens. I have a 50mm here, and because this is actually a micro four thirds, this lens actually translates as 100mm because we are going to be across the road, and we are going to have something like kind of like a medium shot going on. So because of safety and the fact that we can't be too close to them, that is why I need something like this so that we can actually have a kind of medium close-up going on. And again, we can also still have a little bit of blur going on in the background, and that will make it look a little bit professional.
It must be well noted that using a lens like this might be a double-edged sword, because once you open the lens or once you have it very wide opened, the character can easily move out of focus. And as you can see in shots like this, I really struggled a lot to keep him in focus. So that is something certainly to keep in mind if you intend to use a 50mm lens. I would not recommend it unless you have a very good focus puller on set. Safety is also another thing that must be taken very seriously, because I underestimated how busy this road was and we chose it for the tutorial. But once we began, we realized that we made the wrong choice and the road was so busy. Hence, we had to relocate to another location. So that is something to keep in mind, because this thing can be very dangerous since you are shooting by the roadside. Hence, guys, please progress with caution. But right when we're done with that, we went ahead to take the very first shot, which is facing directly in front of the character.
In 3, 2, 1, action.
We had to take a turn to go set up for the next shot, which was the side shot. But before that, I used the opportunity to take some shots right from his back so that we can have a lot of variety during the edit. With stuff like this, the more you can capture, the better your final results is going to look like. So take the opportunity to capture as much as you can, but make sure to keep the screen continuity right, because over here, the screen continuity was wrong, and in editing, I had to flip it around. But after capturing that shot, I was ready to take the side shot.
Rolling. Action. Rolling. Action. I bent my leg with the exhaust pipe because over here it is really, really very hot, and I hit my leg. And then my rider too, as you can see, his sandals, it's almost spoiled, it's out. And even though we know, you know, the risk involved, we're just doing all of these things for you guys. So just keep it in mind that even though you can achieve this on a very low budget, sometimes some of these things may come at a cost. So you really need to take very key note of that. So Charlie, this time around, let's keep the speed a little bit low so that we can get the shot very well done. All right, ready? Action. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, come. Triple go.
The camera hit the ground at this point and it all went white. That attests to the fact that this is dangerous and you guys might have to proceed with caution.
And the fuel has run out. The motorbike doesn't have fuel anymore, so it just stopped. I hope you guys got the idea from this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to click on the like button, because as you can see, we went through a lot to bring you guys this video. So please, let's make sure that this video gets at least 100 likes. Just 100 likes, guys. I know we can do it. So please make sure to click on the like button if you did get a ton of information out of this video. And like we did say here, all the techniques that have been shared in this video kind of apply to every scene that you have to do for a moving scene. Thank you so much for watching, and like always, I want to use the opportunity to thank my crew. Mr. Triple is here. He availed himself for the video. Mr. Hakeem Success, and you can find all of these people on Instagram. And of course, I can't forget the man shooting me right now, Mr. Aliskopa. Oh, let me turn my camera on so that you guys can see him. Yes, this is Aliskopa. I'm the one shooting him right now. Yes, guys, so please do make sure to click on the subscribe button if you have seen our faces for the very first time. We'll be coming your way with more master classes on this particular channel. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will catch you in the next one. Keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.
Hello?
Hello, boss. Yeah, boss.
Have you guys found him?
Yes, that's boss.
Keep an eye on him.
Okay, boss.
I'll be there with you guys soon.
Okay.